Drayton Manor. Okay, we're walking in. And the trees are covered in snow for Christmas. We're here for the Winter Wonderland event. So Gold Rush is open. And Accelerator, Showdown, a few other bits, and Thomas Land. Let's go. Some cool photo opportunities at the start. Mum's making me go in the parcel here. Lovely stuff. Right then guys, so I'm testing out my new camera today, and also I've got a funny voice because I've got a cold and I don't know what's going on, so excuse that. But yeah, I'm here today at Drayton Manor with Mum. We're trying out the Christmas Wonderland event. No one else wanted to come for some reason, but yeah, they're all busy. Yeah, boring, busy, whatever. But yeah, can't wait to test out my new camera and yeah, bring you guys on. So we might head towards Accelerator and Gold Rush. Lovely stage set up. We're heading for Frontier Falls because this bit shuts at 4. So this is Accelerator, Showdown, Gold Rush, new coaster for this year. Right, we're right by the Gold Rush entrance. I've not seen any signs for how long the queue is, but I think we're just gonna go for it. Lovely stuff. Let's head in the entrance. Whoa! I've not done this since it opened, since opening day, I'm pretty sure. So looking forward to going back on it. Me and Mum have never done it together, have we? We've never done it together. Amazing. Bad for walking past all that extension that I queued last time. Heading straight down. We're going to see the apocalypse sign in a second. RIP Apocalypse. There we go. Just over there. Let's give you a little zoom. Little zoom in. Hold on.
Is that like a foundation for Apocalypse?
There we go. It is. It's exactly where Apocalypse once stood. Amazing. Right. Yeah, I don't think there's much for queue at all because we're heading inside. So I'll get some shots of the ride when we get off.
And
yeah. See you after the ride, guys. So we just had a ride on Gold Rush. We didn't wait too long, maybe 10-15 minutes, but it is running on one train. And the cycle we had was all it went straight over first, just like it's doing now, and then did the reverse bit after, and then you go up the lift hill backwards and then go through the layout forwards. But yeah, did you enjoy your ride on Gold Rush, Mum?
yes, it was lovely.
It's good fun, something to do in the winter, in the close season. We're going to get some shots of the ride and we might head on Showdown, which is just over there. If my camera turns around, there we go, Showdown. We're going to head in now. It looks like a short-ish queue, so then we'll go for it. Why not? We like this one. Here we are, Showdown. Oh, targets. I've got connecting display 3. At the end it'll tell you what it is. How are we going to know if we've got a bonus? I said, how are we going to know if we've got a bonus? That's what I said.
Oh, do you think it is actually working?
Well, let's try. You have to find them bonus ones. I can't go for the noise of mine. Oh, bonus. Come on. Oh, bonus. Oh, it's not even saying it. We've got a dodgy one. It's not even saying you got a bonus, Mum. Ruins it. That's the best part. I do love the sky in here though. Oh, it's not the toilet. Yeah, them cans. Oh, they're spinning around. We keep getting them bonuses and it's not saying anything, which is a shame. Lovely, we're reaching the end of the ride. Bit disappointed about the screen's not working, but what can you do? It should display it at the end, so yeah, Sheriff Showdown. There's a little cheeky bonus just before you exit. Bit disappointing ride on Sheriff Showdown there because our screen wasn't working. It said connecting screen 3 the whole time. Both of us got bonuses and it didn't even say anything. However, the screen at the end said we both got 6,600, so we actually, yeah, same score, we actually drew, so not too bad. Mum's bonus, she's hungry, so we might go see if the pizza pasta thing is open. Some sweets. But yeah, we've not really got much to do other than a bit Thomas Land if you want an accelerator just here. Well yeah, having fun so far. They've even got decorations out for the gift shop. Look at those big candy canes. And then some lights dangling there, lovely. The candy canes? No, sweet shops around here. We're gonna head around to the pizza pasta. Change of plan, we're gonna head into Thomas Land because the queue was just huge for pizza pasta, so we might come back later. There's the carousel, lovely. But yeah, we're gonna head in here because Mum knows there's a little cafe in here, Sodo Airport or something. So we'll go have a little look and get something to eat. There's Winston's Whistle Stop Tour. We have done that before. Maybe we should have a go at some point. Well, why not? We're here, so might as well. We've just seen Thomas with his Christmas decorations. He's got antlers on and some lights. Let's have a look. There he is. You can say we've seen Thomas now. No, I don't. There we go. Turning around. Gonna head around this way. I've just seen that board actually said the queue times on it. There's some of them dotted around the park. They say about the shows. There you go. 15 minutes goal, which make it. Accelerator says 5. We should have done that. Sheriff Showdown 0 is a lie because we've just waited probably 5-10 minutes for it. Head over to this Sodor Airport cafe. Oh, we could do Troublesome Trucks is actually open. Could do that at some point as well. There he is, by himself. Oh my god. Ah! I'm gonna have to go around this way now to get a picture of her. What the hell? You're gonna be stuck in there. I think you need to get out. Can you actually get out?
No.
You're gonna be stuck in there. Operation Get Out. Oh, she's got it. Yes, she's got it. I think they're just for kids, not for adults. Great, she wants to go on Troublesome Trucks. She's going to make me wait like 15 minutes.
Alright, let's not.
No, we'll go have a look at the queue, why not? Yeah, is the train to the hot chocolate station. Oh, this isn't that long, this is about 5-10 minutes. There's the train. Knapford to hot chocolate. Exactly, not that long at all.
Knapford?
Yeah, that's here.
A bit like Knoxford, but it's not.
Oh, the train's leaving. did Troublesome Trucks. Mum, how was Troublesome Trucks?
Whee!
Is that it? Yeah. It's quite smooth. However, the seat hurts your back. There's no padding on the seat. You need more padding on that. But yeah, don't mind that little coaster. Might as well do it. And we waited for one go round for one train, so not too bad. About 5 minutes. Well, we've got Rory the Lion out. Lovely stuff. Nice seating area at the front there. But I think we're going to head on to Accelerator just down here in Frontier Falls. In where? Oh, we might have to go in the shop. But yeah, apparently Accelerator's on a 5-minute wait. We've just seen some empty rows, so we'll go have a little look. Why not? They've ran out of snow for these trees. Let's head into entrance. I like how they've done that and they've kind of themed it into Frontier Falls. And then this is like where you see the old theming. There's a piece of Ben 10 in here as well. We head round. It looks good, but it really doesn't fit with the theme now. There you go. Old piece of Ben 10 right there. The green. That's like his little watch. We seem to be walking around. Let's have a look at the queue over here. And there's no queue. This might be the shortest time I've ever waited for Accelerator. But yeah, literally 15 minutes from that point. And we're not even waiting there. Crazy. We'll see after the ride. We're going to have a go on Gold Rush, but it's currently experiencing a temporary delay, so we'll come back to it in a bit. We might head into Thomas Land again. And there is Blasting Barrels just over here. I'm not heading on that today because it makes me feel sick. But there it is. People spinning around. I like the way they've themed it now into Frontier Falls. However, I do miss the lady with her drugs. Which is testing now, but it's still down, so we're going to go in Rory Souvenirs. Let's have a look in here. Got a little display going on at the front here. You can get your Drayton Manor Christmas jumpers. Is that a mug? Not bad. I have that sprout that I want to put on towels. And there's like pins over here and stuff. I have most of these here. Got some Viking stuff. Viking mugs. Generic Drayton Manor cups and things. Is that a ball? Viking hoodie. And then there's some Frontier Falls bits. There's a Gold Rush hat, mug. But yeah, very basic. They need like, that's very basic. They need like an embossed one. Yeah, pins and stuff. Only a little shop, but nicely decorated for Christmas. There you go, here's some of the Christmas stuff. Mug, key ring, pen, magnet, and then they've got the hoodies as well. Just there. And then there's a hat up there. They've decorated the tree with all Rory and Laurie's. That's actually really cute. It looks quite good. They've made the effort. Mum's made us go on Winston's whistle stop tours. I'm just showing you around the park.
You as my driver, I'm sure it'll be a smooth journey.
Obviously Maelstrom and Wave are not open for the Christmas event. Everything's blocked out.
Busy with his passengers.
Fancy the bus. Oh, there's some piggies.
Oh, that's not Thomas.
Oh, he's got a hat on.
There's the helicopter tours. It's cool how it goes round. We've just waited a while for a very, very short ride. Oh well, at least we got some nice views. My voice is so bad today.
Look at the piggies.
Oh yeah, some pigs. And of course we're exiting through the world's largest Thomas Land shop. Oh my god, my voice today. Oh, there's a little like tunnel you can walk through. It's quite well themed in here with the tracks on the floor. But there we go. Enjoyed our ride on Winston's Whistle Stop Tours. I think it's Percy. Mum's just hopped in front of me. Look at his eyes. That's really cool. All decorated for Christmas with his hat on there. Lovely. So we've pretty much done everything we want to do. So we're going to have a re-ride and Gold Rush. Maybe a couple depending on how short the queue is. It says 10 minutes, so might as well do it. I think it's like, what time is it now? Yeah, 2:45. So it shuts at 4 this side, like Frontier Falls, and Thomas Land's 5, and then the pirate ship's 6, and someone else is 6 for some reason. No idea why. But yeah, we're gonna have a go on Gold Rush, maybe a couple. I did want a sort of night ride, but we'll just see because we might just go home. We're heading in the Gold Rush queue. Just saw a sign that says the cycle changed from 2 PM, so hopefully we'll get the other cycle this time. We'll see. So this cycle should be where you go on the lift and you go backwards first. So we might get that. I've done it before, but it would be good to get it today.
Yeah, it is on the other cycle then.
That's
cycle 2 confirmed. Cycle 2 confirmed. We've just seen it, so we'll go have a ride.
Now, let me tell you how the mind works. You dig deep in the rock, searching for veins of gold. And they all fall out, crush.
So we've had a good couple hours here at Drayton Manor. Again, I do apologise for my voice. It has been a nightmare today, but I've had a cold or something, and I am at the end of it, but yeah, I've still got my voice back. But have you enjoyed today, Mum?
Yes, it's been fun. Winter Wonderland, worth a visit.
Yeah, exactly. Any highlights? Did you like any of the rides we had today?
Yeah, Gold Rush was great. Love that.
Yeah,
Really
so
good.
we've just come off Gold Rush, and it was the second cycle. And I enjoyed that. I think it's definitely the better one, like Mum just said. It's just so much better. It just works well, and you do the backwards bit first, which I like, and I think Mum likes that too.
Yeah.
And then you do it forward. So yeah, really enjoyed it. I've had a good time here, and it's good that we've got to do something in the closed season. At least
Yeah.
Gold Rush is open and Accelerator, whereas like Alton Towers Christmas, there's not a lot open this year. So we thought we'd pick Drayton Manor. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in my next vlog, and hopefully we'll do something in between Christmas and New Year's. But yeah, see you later. Thanks for watching.
Bye.